Questions number 1. What is the difference between an API and a drug product? Answer. The active pharmaceutical ingredient is the active substance in a drug that is responsible for its therapeutic effects. The drug product is the final formulated product containing the API and excipients, ready for consumption. Questions number 2. What are excipients, and why are they used in drug formulations? Answer. Excipients are inactive ingredients used in drug formulations to give the drug its desired consistency, stability, and delivery characteristics. They help in drug formulation by enhancing the drug's absorption, stability, and patient acceptability. Questions number 3. How do you define bioavailability in pharmaceuticals? Answer. Bioavailability is the proportion of an administered drug that reaches the systemic circulation in its active form and is available at the site of action. It's a critical factor in determining the drug's effectiveness. Questions number 4. What are the common routes of drug administration? Answer. Common routes include oral, intravenous, intramuscular, subcutaneous, topical, and inhalation. The choice of route depends on the drug's formulation and the desired speed of action. Questions number 5. What is a sustained release formulation? Answer. A sustained release formulation is designed to release the API slowly over time, maintaining therapeutic levels in the blood for an extended period, reducing the need for frequent dosing. Questions number 6. What is the significance of pH in drug formulation? Answer. pH can affect the solubility and stability of the API in the formulation. Maintaining the appropriate pH is essential to ensure the drug's efficacy and stability over its shelf life. Questions number 7. Explain the importance of good manufacturing practices, GMP, in the pharmaceutical industry. Answer. GMP ensures that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards, minimizing risks in pharmaceutical production that could affect patient safety. Questions number 8. What are polymorphs in API manufacturing? Answer. Polymorphs are different crystalline forms of the same API, which can have varying solubility, stability, and bioavailability. Understanding polymorphs is crucial for ensuring consistent drug performance. Questions number 9. Why is stability testing important for drug products? Answer. Stability testing ensures that a drug product maintains its intended potency, purity, and quality throughout its shelf life under various environmental conditions, temperature, humidity, light. Questions number 10. What is a generic drug? Answer. A generic drug is a medication that has the same API, strength, dosage form, and route of administration as a brand name drug but is typically sold at a lower cost after the original patent expires. Questions number 11. How do you approach the development of a new API? Answer. Developing a new API involves initial research and development, chemical synthesis or biotechnology processes, purification, and extensive testing, preclinical and clinical trials, to ensure safety and efficacy. Questions number 12. What challenges do you face in scaling up API production from the lab to manufacturing? Answer. Challenges include ensuring consistent quality and yield, managing impurities, optimizing reaction conditions, and complying with regulatory requirements while maintaining cost efficiency. Questions number 13. Explain the role of process validation in API manufacturing. Answer. Process validation ensures that the API manufacturing process consistently produces a product that meets predetermined quality standards. It involves extensive testing and documentation to verify that the process is reliable and reproducible. Questions number 14. How do you address solubility issues in drug formulation? Answer. Solubility issues can be addressed by selecting appropriate excipients, using solubilizing agents, particle size reduction, salt formation, or employing techniques like micronization or nanosuspension. Question number 15. What is the importance of dissolution testing in formulation development? Answer. Dissolution testing measures the rate and extent to which the API dissolves in a solution, which correlates with its bioavailability. It's crucial for predicting how the drug will behave in vivo and ensuring consistent drug performance. Questions number 16. How do you ensure API stability during the formulation process? Answer. Ensuring API stability involves selecting the right excipients, controlling environmental factors like temperature, humidity, and performing stress testing to understand how the API behaves under different conditions. Questions number 17. What strategies do you use for optimizing drug release profiles in formulations? Answer. Strategies include using controlled release technologies, coating techniques, matrix systems, and choosing excipients that modulate the drug release rate. The goal is to achieve the desired therapeutic effect over a specified period. Questions number 18. How do you handle regulatory compliance during API and formulation development? Answer. Regulatory compliance involves adhering to guidelines from agencies like the FDA, EMA, or IC, ensuring proper documentation, conducting necessary trials, and maintaining transparency in reporting any issues during development. Questions number 19. What are the key considerations when working with biologics as APIs? Answer. Biologics require special handling due to their complexity and sensitivity to environmental conditions. Key considerations include maintaining sterility, ensuring stability, controlling contamination, and preserving bioactivity. Questions number 20. Can you discuss a challenging project where you had to reformulate a drug? Answer. In this situation, candidates might discuss specific challenges such as overcoming poor bioavailability, enhancing stability, or altering the release profile to improve patient compliance. Emphasis should be on problem-solving skills, technical expertise, and regulatory considerations.